EA Builder Reviews. Creating indicators and strategies in a few clicks. When it comes to the discussion of MetaTrader 4 and 5, accurate indicators and strategies are needed. Luckily, you don't need to be an expert in IT to complete this task. With EA Builders, this IT job to create indicators and strategies is easy to complete, even for beginners. Find out the reasons why the tool is effective and powerful in the following EA Builder reviews. 1. Easy and fast. EA Builder is popular particularly because the tool is easy to use and fast. You can even complete the process to create indicators and strategies with just a few clicks. The tool will turn your idea simply into an automated system instantly. All can be done within minutes. You will find it easy to shift from an expert advisor to TradeStation, or MetaTrader 4 and 5. Additionally, there will be specific programming skills needed to complete the task by using the tool. 2. Supports popular platforms. Another reason that makes EA Builder stand out among competitors is that the tool is compatible with the 3 most popular variables on Earth. They are TradeStation, MetaTrader 4, and MetaTrader 5. Not only that, but EA Builder will also make it possible for you to trade anything from Forex, ETFs, commodities, stocks, to indices. Any trade is possible depending on the specific financial goals that you set as well as the size of your account. 3. Great features. EA Builder reviews will also show you that the tool is loaded with a wide array of features. So, there will be various options available for you to choose from. Either, you simply want to trade at the specific times of the day, or limit the number of trade duration, anything is possible with EA Builder. Again, all of the features offered can be operated by using a few clicks. Some of the key features you will find in EA Builder are custom indicators, alerts, money management, and more. 4. Nice outputs. The generated code produced by EA Builder is highly readable. Not only that, but the code is also neatly formatted and well commented. One of the best things about the output generated is that it doesn't require advanced functions, classes, or specific objects. The code generated by EA Builder only contains a single file, making it easy for you to understand the data presented. All you need to do is just download the generated data as the basis to create the indicators and trading strategies. 5. Interesting bonuses. Aside from the benefits, many bonuses are also offered by EA Builder. The examples provided will also give you great inspirations to help you make the best indicators and strategies for trading. Additionally, there will be video tutorials that you can enjoy from EA Builder. There will be 3 awesome indicators that you can in the video tutorials. These include Trendline Break Alert, CCI Colored, and Trend Colored. The 3 cool indicators can be used to improve your trading strategies. Not only that, but the indicators presented in the video tutorials can also be easily modified based on your preference. Click the link below in the description to learn more and get EA Builder program.